Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create data product from SAP BW for HANA. So here on my screen you can see the Eclipse Studio where I have opened the ADSO. From this ADSO we are going to create data product. Go to data preview and open BW for HANA cockpits. Select select on data product generator for SAP BDC. Create data new subscription. Select our source, save this source subscription. Now here maintain the subscription, provide description for this subscription. Go to settings. Here you can see full delta and delta sharing is activate this one. Number of columns. Now save the subscription. Refresh screen and here you can see the operation is scheduled. Means okay, now we need to execute this subscription. Click on run. Okay, now check the execution status. Now view this local table into the Datasphere. Here we are verifying number of columns and data we are verifying which is present in a source. Now we need to create a data product from this table. Go to Delta Sharing Cockpit and click on data product. Provide the name, provide description. Now here provide data category as a company code and choose the artifacts. Artifacts means is your space and choose the our objects or local table. Okay, here we have selected, save the changes. Okay, now our data product is saved. Here you can view the information. Now we need to list these data products. Click on switch status and click select list. Now again go to my data products and here you can see your data product is listed.